Some of you have complained about the scorching sun or the heat at night. In downtown Kampala, many have devised different strategies to cope, from donning sunglasses and using improvised umbrellas to simply wiping away the sweat and braving the heat. While some businesses report a decrease in customers, others, especially those in the drinks business, are experiencing a surge in sales as people seek relief from the scorching weather.
Sometime back, when we're in the rainy season, I would sell like 5 cartons of water, everything, like when I sum up. But nowadays, because there is this sunny season, I sell like 8 to 10 cartons a day.
According to health workers, the excess heat or hot environment causes heat illnesses that happen due to the inability of the body to cope with the excess heat.
Sometimes when the temperatures are very high, the body's system may actually fail to control that temperature, what we call the core body temperature on the inside. And when the body fails to do that, now the body and the other systems are going to respond. All right, they're going to respond. And then most of the time you're going to end up with cases of multi-organ failure. Multi-organ failure, that means there are different systems of your body that are going to start failing.
They add that in worst case scenario, it causes health illnesses such as heat stroke, among others.
That means the temperatures are going to be very high and you're going to have symptoms like convulsions, quasica. You're going to have things like dizziness, loss of consciousness, and things of that sort. And people can actually die. That's the worst case scenario.
Other common cases include heat rash, heat exhaustion, where the body is stressed due to heat. The most affected among the vulnerable populations like the elderly, infants, and overweight individuals.
Above 65 years who are a little bit sedentary, they don't move as much, they don't exercise as much. The very young infants, that means around 1 year and below, you don't want to leave those children in cars without ACs, even with open windows. They can actually die due to the heat.
Dr. Segalma advises those affected to prevent heat illnesses. 1. Should stay hydrated, drink as much as possible with a minimum of 2.5 liters of water, since the body loses water in many different ways.
On a normal day, it would be 2.5 liters, and that is the bare minimum you can take. Don't wait to get thirsty. Keep drinking, keep rehydrating. You will be better off, all right? And then the other thing that you may as well need to do, or not to do actually, don't take very sugary foods. Reduce the alcohol intake. It will do better. You may want to take a little bit of salty foods.
However, they are also urged to monitor temperature changes through mobile devices to stay informed about impending heat waves. According to the World Health Organization, heat waves or heat and hot weather that last several days can have a significant impact on society, including a rise in heat-related death. Nobat Atkunda, NTV News.